My name is Lynn Stevenson. I am class of 1992 from the BS program, and then 1994 from the PharmD program. I am currently an Associate Clinical Professor of Pharmacy Practice here at the college and also serve as Executive Director of Experiential Programs. So I think the biggest thing for Auburn when I came here on my recruiting trip, it just felt like home. I don't know how else to explain it. You know, you hear about the Auburn family all the time, and I truly do believe that's a real thing.
Lynn is probably one of the most dedicated people that I know, and you can see that all throughout her life, not only in her scholastic career, but also in her basketball career in high school, and then her career here at Auburn, which we're so proud to say that we're friends with someone who actually went to, the NCAA tournament as a women's basketball player at Auburn. But she's also a very kind-hearted person. She's somebody who you can depend on. If you really need something, I know today I can call in and ask her, especially if it's pharmacy related or anything to do with anybody in the pharmacy world, because she knows everybody. She's always there. She's always there for me whenever I need her, and she's just a really dedicated, very professional, smart woman that I'm proud to be associated with.
I'm in my third year of pharmacy, and I am in the Tumors Oaks Village, and Dr. Stevenson is my mentor. She's been a great mentor to me. She's very supportive. She supports me in all my endeavors, and she also is willing to provide me with resources, with anything that I need, and also as a curriculum coordinator, she's also has been a big help in helping me find different career development opportunities and ways in which I want to pursue other career opportunities that I'm interested in.
We're preparing the next generation of pharmacists, so it's important in my role as Executive Director of Experiential Programs to ensure that we have high quality training sites, that we have preceptors who are going to serve as positive role models for our students. That's my primary job responsibility, and I take that very seriously. I want to enhance the program that we already have. I think it's very good, but it can always be better. So we want to try to do the things that we need to do to make it the best that it can be.
Well, of course, I've known Lynn as a clinician and her impact that she had with actual patients, which was phenomenal, by the way, when she practiced as a clinician with me. But I've also seen her in this administrative role here in Auburn as just developing this experiential program that you have here, and the change that I've seen since I was in school 30 years ago, and the way that the experiential program now is. And it's a lot of the changes and have been because of Lynn. The expansion has been because of Lynn, and just the heart that she has for her students, and in wanting to provide them with a broader spectrum of experience, and not just, well, you're going to do so many weeks of hospital and so many weeks of retail, but now you have all these other very differential experiences out there that they didn't have when I was in school. And I attribute that to Lynn and her hard work and her dedication to not only Auburn, but to the profession of pharmacy as a whole.
So the experiential programs has truly enriched my experience here, from APPEs to IBPEs. These programs have given me a way to test my clinical knowledge that I've learned in class, and then therefore apply those outside and under the guidance of these preceptors. I'm really glad that the program that we have in place allows students to be able to pick which rotations they're interested in, and also provide a list of various different resources that they're able to take on if interested, that not only enriches their experience but also challenges them outside of their comfort zone.
Service to me means helping those in need. So whether it's community service, going out into the community, there are people who need our help as pharmacists all the time. So that's one thing. Service to the college to me means giving back to the profession. And like I said earlier, you know, training that next generation of pharmacists, it's always very cool for me to go out when I'm doing site visits and I run into one of our alums and see the great things that they're doing in their careers. That's very rewarding to me.
Hi, Dr. Stevenson. On behalf of the students, I would like to congratulate you on receiving the Distinguished Service Award.